Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So this video is just going to be about the icons on the home screen and the app drawer here. Before I forget, subscribe, it really helps out the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified first when I post a video. Now, one of the things that people don't realize is that you can actually vary the amount of icons that are shown in the home screen and the app drawer. Now, one of the things you can do is you can go into the settings menu, you can go into display, go down into home screen, and you can actually vary both the home screen grid and the apps screen grid separately, so you can have different lots of icons. So for example, if I was to go into the home screen grid, these are my icons currently on the home screen. If I've got thicker fingers, I could make them bigger, go to a 4x5 grid. I normally have it as a 5x5, that's how I like it, but you can actually mirror what's on the other app screen as well by selecting whatever you have there. And basically you can, depending on what you select, you can have either more or less, or bigger icons or smaller icons, depending on whatever your preference is. And the same goes for the app screen there as well. And a lot of people don't know that you can do this. So if you do want more icons on either the app drawer or the home screen, then go into settings menu, home screen, and have a look at the settings for apps there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.